Hello everyone over there at Stepping Out on Faith's Party Rentals. My name is Charles, and the reason I'm making this video is because I was researching party rental sites and party rentals in Seattle for a company out there, and then I figured, let me see who's in Philly, and I found your website. And I know that there are tons of people who are searching for you. I wanted to give you 3 tips on how to get better with Google so that people can find you organically, instead of having to pay for advertisements. So those 3 tips I want to talk about are, actually before I start, the reason I'm doing this is because I know a lot of business owners do not have the time, or sometimes it takes way too long to learn all about this, about search engine optimization, about how to get in front of Google searches. And there's so much information out there, a lot of the times business owners get burnt by different people. So I just wanted to prove myself, give you a few free tips that you can take and use by yourself or with your website person. Or if you like what you see, I'm more than willing to work with you. You just have to just get back to me. Okay, so the 3 tips I want to talk about are backlinks, citations, and content. Let me reverse the order. Sorry. Content, citations, and backlinks. Let's start with content. Content is everything on your front page. Google picks up everything. Meaning they pick up the pictures, they pick up the text, the words behind the pictures, what you've saved the pictures as, and they do that in order to see if you're relevant enough for you to be in front of searches. Now, to optimize with Google, you need about 1,000 to 1,500 words of good authoritative text on your front page. And by that I mean text that has those phrases, those keywords that people who are looking for your business look for. So, for example, party rentals in Philadelphia. If someone doesn't know your name, that's what they're going to Google. So if you saturate those 1,000 to 1,500 words of text with good keywords, and that will take some keyword research, Google will know, okay, I should put you in front of these searches. And also your pictures, it's good to save your pictures as keywords. A lot of the time people save the pictures as, this is picture number 1 or table 2. Or front page logo. Save them as keywords, as those words that people type into Google to look for your search, to search for your company, for your business, for your services. Now, second thing I want to talk about is citations. So, for example, if I go to Google and I search, sorry, I was looking you up over here. If I search Philly party rentals, I'll get tons of results. Now, 90% of people use Google to search for local businesses like yours. 70% don't leave this front page. So it's important to be on this front page. So first thing you'll see are ads. These are Google ads. And with Google ads, it's always hit or miss. And also it can get expensive because it's pay per click. If I click this right here, or this first one here, I'll be clicking on your competitor and costing them a lot of advertising money. If you're there, same thing. It costs money, and if you're not converting enough people who are going to your website, then it's a waste of your money. After the Google ads, you'll see this section here that's called a map pack. It usually does have 1 or 2 ads also, but it has 3 businesses and a map. It's location oriented. The way to rank higher here, to be on the front page, if I click on more places, you'll see the other businesses in the map pack, but to get to this front page where 70% of the people stay, you need citations. Now, a citation is where your name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories online. For example, Yelp, LinkedIn, Better Business Bureau. If there's any party kind of directory, party rental directory, the more of those citations you're in and the more relevant to you, the higher you'll rank here. Then comes the organic section down here. Now, the way to rank higher here, and I can tell that these are your competitors. So the way to beat them in different searches for anything to do with party rental in Philadelphia, is to have better and more authoritative backlinks. A backlink is when another web page links to your web page and directs traffic your way. So, for example, if there's an event forum, if there's a big event, say in the convention center, and they have a blog there, their website is pretty authoritative in Google's eyes. if you are on that website and it links to you, that's a good backlink. But if a McDonald's is linking to you, that's not that strong. Not all backlinks are the same. So there are tools out there that I use to go in and look at your competitors' backlinks and make sure you have better backlinks than them, more stronger, more authoritative backlinks. So those are the three things I wanted to talk about: backlinks, citations, and content on your web page. So if you improve on those three things, content, citations, and backlinks, I'm sure you're going to start ranking higher and higher on different searches on Google, and therefore you're going to start getting more and more clients, more and more rentals, etc. One thing I did want to offer is I was working on someone else's party rental site, and they are no longer moving here to Philadelphia. So I just wanted to show you this site that I've built. Maybe if it's a new year, if you are interested in changing up what you do, I just want to show you these menus down here. It has a lot of text, a lot of also pictures. It's important also to have a blog, which can work really well in terms of ranking. If you have a good blog and you constantly keep it updated, Google can tell the relevancy of your relevancy because of that. It also has a store. Now this, granted, you can see the topics here, and let me click on phones and tablets. This was first an electronic shop, but I just changed a few things that are out in the special front page so that it works for a party rental. But it's pretty much like yours, but looks a little bit more modern. If you had different locations, your different stores would be there. You can have a gallery of your different events. Frequently asked questions. If anyone has any questions about what you do, there's a About You site, and then there's an entire store here where you can do e-commerce. Actually store all your products here, switch off the pictures, and make sure you're able to store each product per category, etc. And add to bag, add to cart, and sell. So if you'd like to work with me, I'm more than willing to edit this website for you, or at least talk about maybe doing a brand new website. This is almost done, so it wouldn't be that much turnaround. And let's see how it looks on tablet and also on phone. I like the platform I build with because you can get to see these different kind of views. Now this was done in a hurry. Obviously I'd have to make the logo smaller, etc. But I just wanted to show you what is possible. So if you'd like to work with me, again, my name is Charles, and I'm more than willing to work with you guys to help you improve your current website, or if you want to move to a new website, I am here. Thank you very much.